Guess what's in here? My pink Amazon order has just arrived, which means today we have a Amazon girly haul. It's not for my house, it's actually for my vehicle. I am so excited. I've always wanted to add some girly pink touches to my car, and I never did. I never ordered anything pink for my car. Believe it or not, I can't even believe it myself, because me being such a pink girly that loves everything pink, I really never decided to get anything for my car. Most of my house has pink girly touches everywhere you see, but my vehicle just stayed the way it is. So I decided to order some cute pink finds from Amazon for my vehicle. So we're going to be doing a haul. I'm going to show you what I ordered, and then I'm also going to go outside and put everything in my car and show you how it looks. I am so thrilled. So I will be linking everything that I ordered and that I will be showing you in today's video down in the description bar below. So that being said, let's go ahead and get started. Let's start with the first thing. So I did order this adorable LED mirror for the top of my car. I know I shouldn't say this, but I always do my makeup in the car, especially on the days that I work. I think we all do that at some point, like either apply your lip gloss or just touch up your makeup or whatnot. So I decided to get this cute little mirror. I am so excited. It turns on, it's rechargeable. Oh, this is so pretty. Okay, I saw it obviously on the Amazon page, but it's not the same when you see it in person. Okay, this is the perfect shade of pink. Look how pretty. And you install it just by putting it in the back of your car mirror, and then you have your own girly glam mirror. Like, I need this so bad. It is rechargeable and it is also dimmable. It looks like it's not on, so we're gonna charge it. I am so excited for this. So while it charges, let me show you the other things that I got. I also ordered this here so that I can put my vehicle registration and all those important documents. And it's pink. It's so beautiful. It has all these cute little compartments in here. It even has a little image of a car right there. But I thought this was like so handy and so pretty. I also ordered some purse hooks. It took me forever to choose the ones I wanted. I saw these and I fell in love with them, and they are that beautiful dusty pink. It actually matches this here. It's really, really pretty. But these are nice because they just look very like elegant, and they don't have that like huge like blingy thing on them. So they're just very basic, but I really like them. And I also saw online that you can put a phone like this in the back seat. So if you have kids, you can put the phone like that and they can be watching something, or you can hang your purse, which is the reason why I got them. But it did come with a set of 2, and they're made out of this really good material. This is also very, very sturdy, which is one of the reasons why I got it. And like I said, it does come with a set of 2. I also got a steering wheel cover. I think this is what I'm most excited about. It's very pretty. So as you can see from kind of my theme, I went with like faux leather instead of like furry and fuzzy, just because I thought it would be easier to clean and maintain more like clean. So I did get this really pretty one, and it had tons of reviews. Wow, it's so soft. This is super duper soft. I did read the reviews, and a lot of people said that they loved how soft this was. I did see this with the same kind of details, but it had like little rhinestones throughout it. And I read the reviews, and a lot of people complained that the rhinestones would fall off or would scratch their hands as you're turning the steering wheel. So I opted just to get the plain one. This is going to look so pretty on my steering wheel. I hope I can install this with these nails. Okay, the next thing I ordered are some pink cup holders. I do have the black ones in my car, but this girl needs some pink ones. They're just very basic. They're silicone, easy to clean. And I also got the simple ones without the rhinestones because the rhinestone ones do get rusty at some point, and I just wanted something easy to clean and wipe. For my sunglasses, I also ordered this clip. It's also made out of that same material as the purse hooks, and it's the same beautiful dusty pink color, and it's really nice. It is magnetic, so you put this on the top and you put your sunglasses in there. I got some belt covers in this beautiful baby pink color, and I love the fact that it has the same print as the steering wheel cover. This was not planned, but I just realized that I ordered the same similar like print. It's very pretty, very, very soft. And I got two just for the front because the back, I feel like the kids are just gonna get them so dirty. So I just got the front. But see the print right here, how pretty it is. It's like a pillow print and it matches the steering wheel print. I also ordered these little decals so that I can bling out the power button, and it comes with two. Very blingy, so pretty. They're pink and it has little pink crystals on there. And it comes with two stickers so that it sticks on directly to the power button. Also got this here. These I've seen all over Instagram and they look so cute. They are little bow pillows to put in the front seats so that when you sit there, you have like a cute little pink bow in the back. I love the color. It's that dusty light pink. That's my favorite kind of pink. So here they are. We just have to kind of fluff them up a little bit, but this is what they look like. And they do have this here. Ooh, these are so soft. Okay, these are really nice. I was worried about the quality, but honestly, they are very, very soft. And it has this in the back here, so you can just attach it to the back seat. I am thrilled with this, and it came with a set of two. I also ordered some vent clips so that I could just kind of add a little bit of pink to the front panel, but I don't know if I like this pink. I am so picky with my pink. I did order these in a light pink and it says light pink in there, but these look hot pink to me. These are definitely hot pink. I don't know how I feel about them. We'll try them out. They're definitely not my favorite color. I do like the light shade of pink. This last item I actually ordered months ago. But since we're talking about vehicles and talking about pink things for your car, I did want to share it in case you want to order it. It's this beautiful key fob cover and it's in that perfect light baby pink. It's so, so pretty. I get so many compliments from it. And it also comes with this cute little tassel. I've had this for months and it looks just the same way it did when I first got it. It is available for different types of vehicles, but I love the way that my key fob looks. I also got some mats. These actually arrived a day earlier. And I do have the WeatherTech mats on my vehicle because I do live in New England and we get so much snow and we have crazy weather. So I always have the WeatherTech ones, but they're black. I wish they came in other shades. And I got these to put over my WeatherTech mats. I did read the reviews on these and I guess they are like so easy to clean. They're also waterproof, weatherproof, and they were so affordable. But this is what they look like, and it comes with mats for the back and the front, but they are very, very pretty. I think the quality on these is incredible. Like, look at this. So freaking cute, and they're gonna be very easy to clean. Okay, so I'm gonna bring all this down and we're gonna decorate my vehicle. Let's talk about this steering wheel cover. It is so pretty. I am so happy that I chose this one. Not only is it like extremely soft, but it was so easy to put on. and I just love the print and I love how soft it feels. I also put on the little bow pillows on both of the seats. They are just so cute. They're very fluffy, very soft. And I like that they're not like huge, so they're actually like pretty comfy when you sit. Really, really like them. Again, super easy to put on. I also ended up getting the seat belt covers. I put them on both sides. I didn't do any on the back, just on the front. And the little clips, I did put them there. I know I said they're not that right shade of pink that I really like, but I think they're cute for now. So I might end up keeping them and then maybe just order the other color that I wanted. I also installed the start engine little bling right there. It was very easy to put on. I also put on the pink mats on both sides and in the back seat. And I put in my paperwork in here. This is like such a pretty little cover for all your documents and stuff. So I'll be putting that inside the glove compartment. Let me show you this mirror. This is like the best thing ever. I wish I would have ordered this a long time ago. So you just tap on it and it turns on. It's very cute. It's dimmable. It has different light temperatures. And I just think it's like the cutest thing ever. I'm obsessed with it. It just adds like glam to the vehicle. I also ended up putting the little clips for the purse right here in the back. Let me show you. So you can either push it to the front and then hang your purse like this in the front, but I personally want to do it in the back just because I already have like the bow pillow and I just think it would be like too much. I do have my cute little Coach purse and it just fits perfect, and then I have my purse right in the back. I also got the clip right here for my sunglasses. It's so pretty and it is magnetic. It just closes and your glasses are like right there. So that was it for today's video. I hope you really enjoyed it. I will be linking everything that I mentioned today down in the description bar below. I hope you all have an incredible rest of your week or weekend, and I'll see you all next time. Bye.